baking soda, apple cider vinegar on there, and boom. Stained, no more. Okay, so this is the before. I'm gonna show you how to get this microwave looking brand spanking new. All you're gonna need is some apple cider vinegar or some white vinegar and some water. Put it in the microwave and hit 3 minutes. When you are done, there will be a nice smell of vinegar coming out, and all the steam will have loosened the you know, the stains. It will have loosened it up. Like, check it out, see? You don't really have to scrub, I just wipe. And this rag isn't wet. I'm gonna leave this actually, because it's like nice and steamy, I'm gonna let that sit in the microwave for a little bit. But when you are done, this can actually be used as your cleaning mixture. Like, you dip your rag in and actually clean it. You don't have to throw this away. This can be reused, and that's the good thing about natural ingredients like this one. And check that out. It just literally wipes on off. No problem.